Caesar salad recipe, Caesar salad calories. Ingredients: romaine lettuce 1 large head or 2 small heads. Croutons 1 cup. Parmesan cheese 1/2 cup, grated. Caesar dressing 1/4 cup. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Worcestershire sauce 1 teaspoon. Dijon mustard 1 teaspoon. Garlic 1 clove, minced. Olive oil 1/4 cup. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Caesar salad instructions. Preparing the romaine lettuce. 1. Start by washing the head of romaine lettuce thoroughly under cold running water. 1. Pat it dry using a clean kitchen towel or paper towel. 2. Cut off the root end of the lettuce and discard any wilted or damaged leaves. 3. Tear the lettuce leaves into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large salad bowl. 3. Set aside. Making the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, combine the minced garlic, chopped anchovy fillets, and Dijon mustard. 2. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and Worcestershire sauce to the bowl. 3. Slowly drizzle the olive oil into the bowl while whisking continuously to emulsify the dressing. 4. Adjust the seasoning as per your preference. Assembling the salad. 1. Pour the dressing over the torn romaine lettuce leaves in the salad bowl. 2. Toss the lettuce gently with tongs or clean hands to ensure every leaf is coated with the dressing. 3. Add the croutons to the salad and toss again to distribute them evenly. 4. Sprinkle the freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the salad. Serving. 1. Divide the Caesar salad among individual plates or serve it in a large bowl. 2. You can garnish the salad with additional Parmesan cheese, croutons, or a lemon wedge if desired. 3. Serve immediately and enjoy. Tips. 1. For a vegetarian version of the Caesar salad, you can omit the anchovy fillets from the dressing. 2. To make homemade croutons, simply cut day-old bread into cubes, toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with salt and any desired herbs, and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, until golden and crispy. 3. If you prefer a creamier dressing, you can add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to the dressing ingredients and whisk until well combined. 4. For added flavor, you can grill the romaine lettuce for a minute or 2 before assembling the salad. 4. This step will give the salad a smoky and slightly charred taste. Conclusion. Making a classic Caesar salad at home is a delightful way to enjoy a fresh and flavorful dish. With its crispy lettuce, zesty dressing, and crunchy croutons, it is sure to please your taste buds. Feel free to experiment with additional toppings such as grilled chicken, shrimp, or cherry tomatoes to add variety to this timeless recipe. So, gather the ingredients, follow the steps, and savor every bite of this traditional Caesar salad. Caesar salad calories. The calorie content of a Caesar salad can vary depending on the specific ingredients used and the portion size. However, I can provide you with a general estimation of the calories in a classic Caesar salad with the ingredients listed in the recipe above. Here is an approximate breakdown of the calorie content of a Caesar salad serving. Romaine lettuce, 1 head, approximately 80 calories. Croutons, 1 cup, approximately 120 to 150 calories, depending on the type and size of croutons. Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup, approximately 200 to 250 calories, depending on the type and amount of cheese. For the dressing, the calorie content can vary based on the quantities used and the specific brand or recipe. However, a typical Caesar dressing serving, 2 tablespoons, can range from 100 to 150 calories.